What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. You know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. We have a 2002 Mercury Mountaineer, and we're going to be changing this radio out, of course. So first thing you want to do, real simple, get your panel removal tool, come here in that corner, and you want to go ahead and start getting on the edge. Whoa, that's all good. If it came out like that, it'll pop in just as easy. But yeah, we just want to go around our edges and pop these things off. Boom. And now we got two 7 mils that we're just gonna go ahead and take out real quick. This is like one of the same thing for the 2002 Ford Expedition. I mean, not Expedition, but yeah, some Expeditions. Some of the Ford Explorers, they're pretty much the same. Ford, Lincoln, and Mercury are all the same. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna take this out, take that out, take this out. This is something that we will not be using. We will be using this harness and this harness. That's where our factory sub is at. If I'm not mistaken, this may be for your steering wheel control, but they're not doing steering wheel control, so we're not gonna worry about it. I'm gonna go ahead and wire this thing up, and I'll see y'all here back in a second. Alright guys, so I got the CD player wired up right here. If you guys want to know how to wire up your own radio, please hit that link in the card that I have in the corner. For the sake of time, I do not go over how to wire up the radio in any of these how to remove these little radio removal videos, because it's pretty much the same thing every time. All the wire colors are pretty much the same, so I don't feel like actually going through it every time. So to kind of keep these videos short and sweet and straight to the point for you guys on how to take the radio out, I just made a video on what each of these wire colors are, and then you can go watch that video and you actually see exactly how to wire up your radio. Of course, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I'll try to get to them as quick as possible, but to keep everything short and sweet, let's just go ahead and put this thing in and show you what it looks like. Alright, so that's what it looks like right there. Just going to pop that back on like so. Now with these Pioneers, they have like a little small delay when you turn it on, so you just gotta wait a couple seconds. And if everything's done right, it will pop on. Boom. That was more than a couple. Alright, English. What time is it? Alright, y'all, that's just about it. I'm gonna go ahead and set the clock and all that good stuff, man. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit the like, share, subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification so you don't miss out on any content. Until next time, it's JP signing out, baby. I'll catch y'all at the next cop.